To place a limit order on Moomoo, start by opening the Moomoo app and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trade section by selecting the stock you want to trade. You can do this by searching for the stock symbol or browsing through the various market categories. After selecting the stock, click on the Trade button to open the order page. On this page, you will see several order types, including market order, limit order, stop limit order, and others. Select the limit order option to proceed. When placing a limit order, you need to specify the price at which you want to buy or sell the stock. This is known as the limit price. The limit price should be the maximum price you are willing to pay when buying or the minimum price you are willing to accept when selling. For example, if you want to buy 10 shares of a stock with a current market price of $50, but you only want to pay $45 per share, you would set the limit price to $45. The order will only be executed if the market price falls to $45 or below. Next, you need to specify the quantity of shares you want to buy or sell. In this case, you would enter 10 shares. You also need to select the duration of the order, which can be either good till cancelled, fill or kill, or immediate or cancel. Good till cancelled means the order will remain active until it is filled or cancelled, while fill or kill means the order will only be executed if the entire quantity can be filled immediately. Immediate or cancel means the order will be partially filled if possible, and the remaining quantity will be cancelled. After entering the limit price, quantity, and duration, review your order to ensure everything is correct. Then, click on the Confirm button to submit the order. The order will be sent to the exchange and will be executed if the market price reaches the limit price. It is essential to note that limit orders may not be filled immediately, and the price may fluctuate rapidly. Therefore, it is crucial to set a realistic limit price and to monitor the market closely to adjust your order, if necessary. By following these steps, you can effectively place a limit order on Moomoo and take control of your trading strategy. Remember to always use limit orders to minimize risks and maximize your trading potential.